You're a bad dog? Don't be a bad dog, would you? Today's definitely warmer, Sally, in the morning. Checking my comments, and I noticed there's a request in there asking me to show exactly step by step how to set up a new blog, and just so happen the timing is perfect. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. The first step in setting up a new blog is to get it hosted. My blog is hosted by HostGator. They've been hosting it for over 10 years now. Always fantastic service with them, never had any trouble, so I highly recommend them. So just go to johnchow.com/HostGator and click on Get Started Now. HostGator has 3 powerful web hosting plans you can choose from. Normally, I recommend the baby plan for most bloggers. I find that's all you really need. It offers unlimited domains, so you can set up as many blogs as you want or unlimited websites. One-click install, and I'll show that in a little bit. And unmetered bandwidth, that means they don't monitor your traffic unless you do something crazy. Starting at $5.95 a month, so it's a really, really good deal. Normally, this is the plan I recommend. However, HostGator's business plan right now is on sale for 60% off. And the business plan offers more features like SSL, dedicated IP, and voice over IP phone service. And because it's 60% off, it is actually the same price as the baby plan. So I recommend you sign up for the business plan. All right. So really, really simple. You click sign up, and you'll be taken to a page where you can order your domain name, choose the plan you want, enter your billing information, the credit card. If you want additional stuff like protect your site from hackers or personalized email, backup service, and then just click checkout, and basically that's it. So once you order your web hosting plan, you're going to receive an email from HostGator that looks like this. This is your login information, and you'll be using this information to set up your new blog. In the info, you'll see the URL to your control panel, and you'll see your username, your domain name, your password, and the name servers as well as the server IP. So here's how you set up a blog. Really, really simple. First thing you do is you click on the login to your control panel, and you'll come to the login to your account screen. Using the information that was given to you, just enter that, copy and paste that information onto the login here, like so, username, and then the password. Copy and paste that, and enter. Click login, and it will log into your HostGator control panel. And inside your control panel, you're going to see a whole bunch of options and stuff. This is just services that you get with your hosting plan. There's a lot of stuff. There's only one thing you're looking for, and it's right here under, here it is right here. Build a new website with this W logo, this WordPress logo. So click on that, and now you'll be taken to the Wordpress Installer. And really, really simple. From here, you just click your domain. In this case, that's the only your plan you have, so that's the domain you order. And then just click next. And then here, you just enter 5 fields of information. You need the title of your blog, your admin username, your first name, your last name, and your email address. And that's basically it. So let's set that up right now. Once you enter the information on there, just click that you accept the term. You'll see this button light up, says install. Click on that. And now your WordPress blog is now installing. It will take about maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes at the most. And there you go. Now we're done. So there's the login information to your new blog, the URL and the username and the password. So you click on it, open a new tab, and boom, there you go. Okay, what happened here is that this particular customer order the domain name from GoDaddy, and right now it is pointed to GoDaddy. What she have to do is she'll have to log into her GoDaddy account, and she'll have to go to the DNS or domain name service part of the GoDaddy and point the name to HostGator. This is what these two IPs are for. So these are the name server IP. So she'll log into GoDaddy and find the IP section and enter these two name servers into GoDaddy, and then it will point to HostGator, and then the blog will be set up and running. This is what you get when you first set up. Basically, you get the this nice image, and you get the name of the blog, and the very first blog post. Hello world, welcome to WordPress. This is your first blog post. So, and all you gotta do now is just click on login down below, log into your new blog, and you can write your first blog post. And that's it. Now, if any of this is too confusing, I do have a free WordPress setup service. Just go to my blog, click on blogging, and right there you'll find a blog post on how I will set up the blog for you. So it's a free WordPress installation service. Start your blog today, and it basically does what I just showed you. I will set up the blog for you, and you just go order your web hosting plan from HostGator and send me the information, and I'll set up the blog. In yesterday's vlog, I was at the I Am Freedom workshop, and I invited you guys to go check out an event in your area, because there are just literally hundreds of events we're doing. Like I was at the San Diego event that was which is going on right now until the 25th. So it's going on again today and tomorrow. And as you can see, we have Orlando, Milton Keys, London, Tampa, New Jersey, Dallas, Davos, Sydney, Seattle, Gosnells, Edinburgh, Denver, Boston, Melbourne, Panama, Charlotte, St. Louis, Liverpool, Manchester. And that's all the events going on just this month. And then next month we'll have another big list of cities. So if you want to find out how to create a $100,000 a year business, this is a free workshop, 90 minutes to 2 hours long, and it's held usually within the core of the city, like in the Seattle event here. Let me go to San Diego. In the San Diego event.
Yeah.
In the San Diego event yesterday, that was yesterday's event, Courtyard Marriott, and today it's gonna be at the DoubleTree in San Diego. There'll be two sessions, one at 12:30, one at 6 p.m. And it's always like that. Every I Am Freedom workshop has an afternoon session and an evening session. So, if you're working during the day, you can go to the evening session. And if you have the day off, you can go to the afternoon session. So, and then tomorrow it's going to be at the La Jolla Marriott. So, I actually might swing by the Marriott one tomorrow. La Jolla is pretty close to where I am. So, yeah. So if you're interested, you want to check it out, just choose a city that's in your area and just choose the date and just register. I have a registration link below this video. Over at my blog, my writer Michael Kwan has written a new article that you should check out. How to set up Amazon Associate One Link. For all you Amazon affiliates out there who want to make more money off Amazon, you definitely need to check out this article. It's pretty cool. The basic idea of Amazon One Link is something like this. Say you have an Amazon link to Amazon.com, but the customer is located in Canada. What happens if when they click the link, instead of going to Amazon.com, One Link automatically redirects them to the appropriate page on Amazon.ca. Or if I'm in the UK, it will redirect them to Amazon.uk. So therefore, you don't lose any commission because of the dollars and exchange rate and stuff like that. So you want to find out how to set that up? Go check out the article by Michael Kwan. He's a really good writer, by the way. If you're looking for a good freelance writer, check him out. Right, let's do our daily workout here. Before we prepare, the first thing I do is... This is my view when I'm working out on the elliptical trainer. Yeah. And if I get bored of that, I'm going to put my iPad right here and I'll watch some Netflix. Mostly I'm watching Netflix. Well, let's begin. Great workout. Time to go for lunch. Lunch today is at one of my go-to Japanese restaurants. It's called Makiyaki here in Dana Point. It's a small little place, but it's really, really good. I'm thinking since I'm here with my wife, we're gonna go with the large sashimi platter, which is only 12 pieces, but you know, it's good enough for two. And we're gonna add in a dynamite roll, and probably the one other one. My special, number 88, and that should be good. You know, I always thought this Coca-Cola vending machine bottle image is some kind of subliminal message, because every time I see this, I feel thirsty. And if you're feeling the urge right now to go to your fridge and grab a Coca-Cola, it means the message is working. Like most Japanese restaurants, the opening dish is a miso soup. Very, very tasty, lots of flavor. Cheers. Alright, this is the main 12 pieces of sashimi. It looks good. And I see they did a good job, you know, making it look different and adding some additional stuff on there that they, not most other restaurants, just cut the sashimi and give it to you. Sheer salmon sushi. Yeah. Looks very appetizing. I need to Instagram this out. Make my followers hungry. This is the most unusual looking dynamite roll I've ever seen. Basically, they take the California roll and then they top the California roll with the dynamite stuff. Yeah, so it's neat. I realize for a lot of people, the thought of eating raw fish seems kind of like, ugh, but don't knock it till you try it.